I'm going to Dairy Queen, because I will buy mint chocolate blizzard.
Welcome to Dairy Queen. How may I take your order?
I would like to have a mint chocolate blizzard, please.
Okay, that will be $4.
Oh no, I forgot to bring my money.
Well, I'm sorry, kid. You can't have a mint chocolate blizzard.
Can I have it at least for free?
But that's against the rules. But don't feel bad, you can go home and get your money, okay?
Oh, okay. Man, I just want to try my mint chocolate blizzard. But no, cashier lady said no, I want to try it. Oh, I saw Kohaku is trying his mint chocolate blizzard. I should go to him and ask him if I want to try it.
Ara. Kinsley, you don't see me, I'm eating my mint chocolate blizzard?
Kohaku, may I try your mint chocolate blizzard?
No.
But why?
Because I buy it in my own money.
Kohaku, please, I wanna try it for a little bit.
Kinsley, what did I tell you about trying my mint chocolate blizzard? I said no, now leave me alone.
You know what? That's it. I'm taking it by myself for not letting me try it.
Hi. Kinsley, give it back to me.
Nope, I'm going to eat all of it.
Oh my god, Kinsley, how dare you ate all of my mint chocolate blizzard? Now I have to buy another one thanks to you.
Hey. What's going on over here?
Well, Mrs. Cashier, Kinsley ate all my mint chocolate blizzard. Now I have to buy another one thanks to her.
What? Oh my god, Kinsley, how dare you eat all of Kohaku's mint chocolate blizzard? Now he will buy another one thanks to you. That's it. Go home right now while I'm calling your parents about this.
No.
It's okay, Kohaku, I will buy it for you.
Wow. Thank you so much, Mrs. Cashier.
You're welcome. Kinsley, we cannot believe you ate all of Kohaku's mint chocolate blizzard. Now Mrs. Cashier will buy it for him thanks to you.
That's it. You're grounded. Grounded for 28 weeks. Go to your room right now. We will tell Dad when he gets home from work.
Oh, it's not fair. I'm grounded.
Kinsley, just shut up and go to sleep.
Okay.